name's Kelvin. I run a business called Sky Monkey. It's a new startup that involves flying drones commercially. What was important for us and from the outset was having a strong brand. I knew from the get-go that having a great logo was important, so it was recognisable, and that's been a success for us because every new person I speak to about our brand has always commented it's such an effective logo, and it's fun, it's not too serious, and it's really memorable for them. We knew as a startup, budget is always restrictive, it's always a constraint for everything. To go to an agency to do our branding was not really an option. We just simply didn't have the budget. I couldn't draw to save my life, so I had to rely on some good talent to be able to come up with an effective logo. DesignCrowd was a clear choice for us. By setting the right budget, I got tons of different logos, and the right one was a standout. It's bold, it's easily recognizable, and it's pretty. That's what it comes down to, it's beautiful.